Hi friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking cauliflower in the microwave. What we need is cauliflower, quarter cup of water, and seasonings you'd like to use. I'm going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and you can use any spices you like. So the first step would be to cut the cauliflower into florets. So first I will cut off the green part and throw this out. And now just cut the cauliflower into individual florets. And once you cut the cauliflower, let's put it in a microwave safe dish. So a glass Pyrex dish is perfect for that. So all the cauliflower is in the microwave safe dish. Let's add a quarter cup of water and cover the microwave safe dish with a lid. And now let's put the cauliflower in the microwave. And set it to cook in the microwave for 3 minutes. Now the microwave is done cooking, so let's take a look at the cauliflower and pierce it with a fork to make sure it's cooked to your liking, because some people like it more firm and some more soft. So now I would like to cook it some more. I feel like it's still too hard, so I will add an extra 1 minute. So start off with 3 minutes and then add an extra minute until it's cooked to your liking. Now the cauliflower is done cooking, so I'm going to take it out of the microwave. I'm going to wear the silicone mitts because the dish is very hot. So here's perfectly cooked steamed cauliflower. Now I will remove it to a serving plate. And now let's season the cauliflower. I'm going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Now the cauliflower is seasoned and it's time to try it. Perfect. The texture of this cauliflower is amazing. It's perfectly cooked yet still crisp, just the way I like it. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.